Hi guys, how you doing? So I just wanted to show you my camera mount here. So we got this claw, if you like, that are spring loaded, and you put it under the chin part of the helmet here. And this is my old GoPro 3, very trusty. It still takes good video shots, 1080p and things like that. And today is the 20th of March 2022, Sunday. It's around about midday, so I'm gonna be looking for a place to eat. And I'm gonna be going on a ride and yeah, and do a vlog for you guys. Here I am on my Honda Silverwing, and yeah, she's ready to go for a ride. This is my towing kit, if you like. I also have a trailer as well. This is for the safety chains, if you like. Maybe I should tow my trailer and do another video for you guys still on the track. So yeah, so here she is in all its glory. And yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna be looking for a place to eat, and you know, and do a video or maybe a series of videos for you guys, and then upload it to my channel later on. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.